Hey guys, I'm Will, I'm from Canada, and I just completed my hair transplant here at Istanbul Vita.
Hello everyone. Our patient today chose Istanbul Vita Clinic for their second session as well. We've completed the graft extraction phase. We extracted a total of 3,200 grafts. We are currently in the implantation phase. While using the Sapphire FUE technique for the procedure, we're also using the Vita technique. This allows us to achieve a more natural look by transplanting the fine hairs from the bottom of the donor area to the hairline.
I just had my post-op today. Everything went really well. Everyone was super professional. Rafael was great, and yeah, I can't wait to see my results.